We'll guide you through how to add collaborators to a YouTube video. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So you're going to work on a video with somebody, or perhaps you're going to feature in it and you went and collaborated. And so there's a new feature on YouTube which allows you to go and show that on YouTube and show that you've gone and collaborated and put it on both channels. Head to the top right of YouTube and find your profile icon and click on it. Then you want to go and find the option for YouTube Studio. Come here. Now what you need to do is you need to start uploading it. So you can press create in the top right, press upload videos, press select files. Now what you want to do is go and select the video you're doing this with and press open. Now it should go and start uploading. What we need to do though is go and just start uploading the video as you usually would. So go and add in your title, add in your description, add your thumbnail, add it to the playlist and set the audience. Now you can go and finish this up as you want, but to go and add the collaborator, come down and you need to go and press show more. Scroll down and you then go and find the section for collaborators. It says grow your audience by collaborating with other creators and expand your video's reach to their audiences. So press invite a collaborator. Now what we can do here is go and search for a channel. So I could go and search for GuideRealm, for example. Type it in, the more precise you are, the easier it will be to go and find it. So in this case, I'm doing it with GuideRealm more, and you can go and see the handle there as well, which matches it. I know it, so we can go and click on it. So you've now gone and selected it there. You can choose if you want them to be able to go and allow the analytics, which I will. Then you can go and press create link. Now it says to invite your collaborator, you must copy the link and share it with them. The link is active after you save it. It says copy it, then press share, and we can press close. Then we can press save here. There it is. Now what you want to do is go and finish with the video as you usually would. Now the collaborator needs to accept it. So I'm doing it on this channel here on GuideRealm more. So I'll go and switch to that channel like so. Then we can go and paste in that link. But what the other person could do is go and click it. It doesn't matter. Then it'll be taken here to collaboration requests, and you can then go and choose if you want to go and accept it here, or they can. So it'll go and say collaboration on your channel and expanded reach. So you can press accept. As you can see, it'll then go and appear